Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable call forwarding in Galaxy A14 device. So first of all guys, you have to go to call logs here and then comes to three dot option. Tap to settings. Okay, so here we have all the call settings option. Just scroll it down and then comes to supplementary services. Okay, now, so just tap on call forwarding. Tap to, if you want to set up for a voice call, you can set for voice call. If you want to set up for video calls, you can set up for a video call. So I want to set it up for voice calls only. Okay, so as you guys see, we have four options: always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and forward when unreachable. So if you want to forward your calls always, so you want to set this one and enter the number to which you want to forward. After that, we have forward when busy. So enter the number so that when you are busy, so the call will be forward to that person. When you unanswered your call, so your call will be forward to the number you provide here. And forward when unreachable, so it will be forward to that number. So that's how guys we can enable or disable call forwarding in Galaxy A14 device. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.